My name is Catherine from Inspired Founders Club, and today I'm with
Kimani.
Kimani. It's really nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So my first question for you is, can we get to know a little bit about your background?
Yeah, sure. I come from a game development and say, innovation technology background. I used to work on Visa Tap to Pay, and as well as Dreamforce with some of their interactive technology. I come from an enterprise background as well. I worked for BlackRock and Sequoia as well, doing enterprise IT.
That's cool. Fun fact, I use Apple Pay today. My second question for you is, what's your project that you're working on right now, and what's your role in it?
Yeah, so I'm the founder, and we're building the future of nightlife. We're building a behavioral intelligence layer to help venue operators run their business and for users to discover their nightlife in a mood-based way to make sure nights are a little bit more intentional when they go out.
Yeah, yeah. My third question for you is, what is your business model?
Yeah, so our business model right now, basically, we are a data company. Right now, we basically charge service to the venues, venue owners, to run our service. And we also provide a subsidiary from our service, basically, for our user platform to be able to monetize from the subscription across the city.
That's cool. That's cool. My next question is, what are your focuses on?
Yeah, so right now our focus is on the core product and user experience. We want to make sure, since we have two clients to kind of worry about, we want to make sure venue owners are understanding our services, they're happy with the workflow that they receive, and they're getting the benefit out of it. And also for the users, we're making sure that the nights are more intentional. They understand that when they do use our service, they're able to achieve that experience that they haven't been able to achieve before in terms of going out. So it's just quality, I'd say.
So would it have features where they ask the person who's using the app, oh, how did you feel after going the night out, or what did you like about it? Are there
Yeah.
any features like that?
Yeah, so we do a couple of quick checks to say, did you like your experience, yay or nay? But you also look at dwell time, how long you stayed in there for. If you stayed in there, just looked around and left, that tells us that you didn't really have a good experience. We don't really need to send you a notification for that. But we want to check your patterns like that to see if we can basically make sure that you're having a good experience at the venue and that you like the application.
Yeah, that's a good feature. I was wondering about that. My last question for you is, what are your future goals for your project, and how do
Yeah.
you think this is going to help people worldwide?
Yeah, so the future goals for the project basically is to have color worldwide. I don't think I mentioned that, but the product is called Color. And we wanted to basically expand in all the spectrums of nightlife, add more colors to it. We understand that there is a nightlife for everyone in terms of what people may want to go and do. It's not always club oriented or anything like that. It's a wide spectrum. That's why we call it Color. And we just want to expand that spectrum nationwide and worldwide. And what was the second question that you asked me?
The second question I asked is, how do you think this is going to help people worldwide?
Yeah, I think it's going to help people because it's going to change the way they go out. Right now, when you want to watch a movie, you think of Netflix. When you want to put on a song, you open Spotify. But now when you go out, you just pick a color.
That's a good one. That's a
Yeah.
good one. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.